3.5 Honda. I'm going to be changing the air control valve on the valve body. These are the pieces, just to give you an idea, just to show you how it could possibly, should match up with yours. Should have cover for the 3.5 that's similar to that, an airbox top, and then the tube that leads to this piece, the valve body. Anyway, this is the piece that I changed. Major thing to point out, the only major thing, everything is basically self-explanatory. I'll go over the hoses in a second, but this job took me about 10 minutes. I think it's going to take me longer to make this video. Anyway, no, not really, but if you have a problem getting the screws out, which most people do, just tap the screws with a hammer very lightly. You can actually, hit it pretty hard, but not that hard, you know what I mean. Anyway, watch out for that because that's plastic. Actually, since it's the old one, it doesn't really matter, but just be careful anyway. And then that should loosen it. And if you still have a problem, you grab it with vice grips and just turn it that way. Turn it the way you have to turn it to righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Anyway, that's basically about it. I did have a problem with one, and I had to use the vice grips for it, even after tapping. But this is the setup right here. This goes on top of the valve body. These are all your connections. This goes into the tube. You have two lines that go into the tube that lead to the air box, and then you have two antifreeze lines. You have this one right over here that actually leads to this tube that actually pulls in air. And it's funny how there was a little bit of antifreeze that came out of this one. Air for that and antifreeze for that, and look, they're still attached. It's weird. So I guess it just floats in there. Anyway, that is pure antifreeze, and nothing really comes out. Anyway, this is the hose that goes to the valve body, and let me see, there's another hose. No, that was basically about it. That was all you have to be concerned with. This hose over here goes behind there, and that's it. Everything else is self-explanatory. Oh, and another thing too is you don't have to disconnect the accelerator cables. Just leave them attached while you work on that. And just be careful with the battery, because as you can see, I have it resting on the battery, but I have the positive covered. And that's about it. Anyway, I hope this video helps somebody. Have a great day. And this job was actually less than 10 minutes. It really didn't take me that long, I know. Anyway, have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.